You know that feeling? When one thought leads to another, and before you even realise it, you're completely overwhelmed. I've been there, and so have the hundreds of people I've worked with over the years. Here's something that genuinely changed the way I see emotions. Scientists discovered that any emotion, in its pure form, lasts no more than 90 seconds. After that, it starts to fade, and within about 10 minutes, it's gone. So the next time you feel that wave of anger, or guilt, or despair, just notice it. Take a breath, and remind yourself quietly, this will pass. You can even test it. Set a timer, shift your focus for 10 minutes, and just watch what happens. But right now, I want to guide you through something simple. Something that works. Find a comfortable seat. Cross your legs if that feels natural. Rest your hands on your knees. Let your spine be long. Not rigid, just easy. Good. Keep your eyes open for now, but soft. Don't fix your gaze on anything. Just let the space around you exist, without needing to analyse it. Take a few deep breaths. As you breathe in, feel your chest open, your lungs expand. And as you breathe out, let your body get just a little heavier, a little more at ease. Now, on your next exhale, gently close your eyes. Feel where your body meets the floor. That contact, that groundedness. You're here. You're safe. On your next inhale, slowly reach up through the crown of your head. Feel the length in your spine, and then just let go of any effort and bring your attention to your breath, not to control it, just to witness it. The air coming in and the air moving out. If a thought comes, and it will, that's completely okay. Just notice it. Give it a little nod and gently come back to the breath. No judgment, no frustration. This is the practice. Returning. Again and again. Just breathe. One slow inhale and a long, easy exhale. Let it all go. Whenever you're ready, softly open your eyes. And before you move on with your day, take a second to appreciate yourself. Not for being perfect, just for showing up. For choosing this moment of stillness in a world that never stops moving. That matters more than you think. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself.